What's up? Assalamu alaikum, guys. Welcome to
Yes,
Hamari
वालेकुम
Chat.
अस्सलाम.
I am Ali.
And I'm Hamza. And आज के एपिसोड के अंदर लॉल आज के एपिसोड के अंदर Ali, go for it. What do we talk about?
Okay, but we talk about David Goggins, the book that we're reading, how we've developed some habits, how we've not developed some habits. हम एक दूसरे की मारते हैं as usual. Usually it's Hamza मेरी मार रहा होता है and I have zero comebacks. And it's sort of fun. Yuri is a fun, high
Life
energy
is a
podcast. If
marathon.
you're feeling low, we highly recommend you watch it throughout till the end. Man, let's get this out of the way. Yes, I don't have my hair anymore.
Okay, I don't think that matters. Okay,
Like, this is, I
hello
think,
everybody. Welcome to Ali. What
bro,
number episode is this?
21. 21?
Episode number 21.
You remember the 21?
Disregard that. Yes, disregard that. and I am your host, I suppose, Hamza, and that's Ali. And Ali
Yeah,
thinks he
हमने
knows
बोला
things,
था
and
कि ये do like,
Ali talks about a lot of stupid shit. Like he knows everything, and because he watches like 6 or 7 YouTube videos and feels like his perspective is completely developed
अबे
because he
सुनो
just
तो यार.
changes it. But let me finish this introduction. I'm literally letting the audience know who you are. Ali shaved his head, that you may notice, since he looks a bit more. I don't want to use those words.
हाँ, एक भी बोल
And
दो bro.
no, मैं नहीं बोलने वाला, कोई सीन ही नहीं है ब्रो. मुझे अभी तुम रिस्पेक्टफुल
Less
रखने की
is more.
कोशिश करते हो ना.
Less is
Less
more.
is not more. Less is more with a lot of things, but your hair is not one of them. Okay. But anyway, so yeah, that's Ali, and I am Hamza. I bring no value to this podcast. I don't seek any value from this podcast, and Ali rags me about not having value coming from this podcast.
Yeah, the
And
whole.
I want to shoot. Nah, let me go. Huh? Let me finish. And I would like to shoot a series on this podcast, not a series, but like I suppose it could be, because it's like a lot of conversation about something that in the event I am allowed to do, which I must clear from my boss Ali Shamim, then then I will let you know that I was able to do it, because Ali and all the things that I do in my life are like not what he wants compatible. So we'll talk about it, and then we'll let you know. And like, if you want to know what it is, just drop a like, huh? In that means one more vote, and
Call to
since it's
action, huh?
50-50, your votes can change the game. But if you
Call
think
to
that I'm
action.
being stupid, then just comment down below saying you're stupid. I'll take any feedback, because Ali says that it all helps with what's the word, Ali? When
The algorithm.
yeah, the algorithm, right? Acha, now Ali is going to start this podcast thinking he looks good in black. You can also tell him he does not.
यार,
Yeah.
honestly, what's going on? I've almost finished Goggins, bro. That's
Okay, you want to talk about David Goggins today?
मैंने 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 I I stopped listening to the book. Like मैंने पहले 4 episodes के बीच में सुनी. Then I got busy and I stopped listening to it. और अभी for the past week and a half, I've been listening to it, and it's like, bro, it just keeps on getting intense and intense, but there is like good value in it, right? And it makes you realize that you can push yourself, and it's really helped
Okay,
me.
I
So I've
will
had pretty
summarize
productive
David
week.
Goggins' book for all of you people in like a couple sentences of what he would write. He's like, if you think you've reached your potential, if you've genuinely tried your best, like whatever it is, you've genuinely tried, like you've given it everything you have not given it everything you have. You've only given it 40% on estimate. Like that's like a whole like thing, but like obviously it's not scientifically
तुमने पूरी book
specifically
खत्म
40%.
की है?
Ali, yes, I've read this book 2 times. I've heard it 2 times. I have not read it 2 times because the audiobook is much better. But
Like, what did what
anyway, anyway,
how?
let me finish with the capping it. So you've only hit 40%. So you have a lot more to give. So stop being, you know, words that I can't use. And because I'm officially not going to cuss in any podcast, Ali, family friendly.
हाँ bro, यार लेकिन it is
मैं
good.
कोशिश कर रहा हूँ और मैं करूंगा.
यार नहीं करो क्योंकि eventually ये आपकी जो गूगल की algorithms होती हैं, there are like different algorithms. जो ऑडियो वाली
सिर्फ
होती
सही है, सिर्फ उर्दू में
है
गाली
वो
दूंगा.
पकड़ लेती है, अब फिर it will
उर्दू में भी
यार
उर्दू
उर्दू
में तो नहीं दे, उर्दू में तो दे सकता हूँ, पकड़ लिया तुम्हें, तुम्हारी चुतिया पहल करे तुमको। उफ,
उर्दू का मुझे नहीं पता, बट इट्स पॉसिबल इट कैन
yeah.
पिक अप लाइक जो मेन होती हैं, क्योंकि
Okay,
उर्दू
yeah. So I won't use any of the main ones. I'll be very creative with it, but don't worry about it. And and मैं क्या बोल रहा था? Yeah, David Goggins. So you only used 40% of it. Keep going, keep trying harder. You can still run, and if you can walk, you can run. All of that stuff. And you know, you should believe it, because a lot of people think they tried their hardest when they give an exam and they study for a day right before the exam, and they're like, oh my god, अगर 24 घंटे और दे दिए होते तो गेम चेंज हो जाती. हाँ, देने चाहिए थे. I'm going to say it on behalf of you who knows it's true. You fucked up. All right.
Bro, I have a question, a technical question. Is my audio fine? क्योंकि मैं पहले
Yeah, your audio is fine.
like
Your
it's
head
good.
isn't. Your head looks so funny. I can't not laugh at it. Bro, what do you mean? ये बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
By the way, I did
चलो
this
कराओ कराओ.
myself. This is like the first time मैंने खुद किया है, and it took a lot longer than I expected. और तो मैं स्टोरी अभी बताई थी सुबह उठकर, but I was shaving
यार
it.
इतनी दफा सुनना पड़ता है मुझे चीजें.
When I started from this side, I was like, karo. It was really difficult because I don't have like a proper trimmer. I had like a beard wala trimmer, so it's like not supposed to be used on hair, especially इतने लंबे बाल. But I started like doing it new, and then उसकी battery खत्म हो गई, and I had this patch यूं एक patch था और long hair, and then I had to sleep with it the night. I just found it funny. I didn't take a picture of it, but
At this point, I will ask all of the people that are watching this. अभी क्यों देखते हैं? मुझे ये नहीं समझ आता.
I
अभी
think,
आपने अपने 2 मिनट जाया किए अली की बाल की स्टोरी. मतलब
bro, it's
what
just a
have you
small
gained? Nothing.
story. It's interesting.
Let me tell you something. You have gained nothing. I mean, if you feel amused even by this, it's good. You should feel amused. The world is pretty shit right now, and everybody should feel as happy as they can from whatever makes them feel happy. Barring a lot of things that you shouldn't do just because they make you feel happy. Okay, yeah, that. Continue, Ali.
हाँ, लेकिन यार Goggins, I think one of the reasons was कि I was contemplating for a while कि कर लेता हूँ, काट लेता हूँ पूरे, right? And I do this every year, pretty much. Last year भी I got a buzz cut. सही है, the year 2016 में.
This is a hair thing. You said, well, Goggins, and then you just switched to your own hair. Okay, continue.
नहीं, but I think I was listening to Goggins, and then I
Yeah.
remembered कि on the, I think it was maybe on the Rogan podcast or something. He mentioned that he basically shaves his hair every single day.
Yeah.
Right?
Even in the book, in the audiobook, he mentioned he shaves his head every morning or every night. I don't remember. While
Is it
looking at his accountability mirror,
accountability
which
mirror?
literally
हाँ.
says
And I
things.
have an accountability mirror as
Yeah,
well.
of course, Ali has it. Okay, and I'll say
Right?
I used to have one. And did it work? For me, no, it didn't. I just stopped looking at the mirror. That's always an option for those that logically think about it. I just had a different mirror where I went. Like I had a bathroom, so I didn't put it in my bathroom because it was shared bathroom, and I wasn't going to have an accountability mirror on the shared bathroom. But I had it in my room, so I just stopped using my room. And even if I did, I didn't pay attention to the post. It's like it literally escapes your mind very soon, unless you force yourself to be accountable. But if you're doing that, then you don't need the mirror. मगर anyway,
मेरा ये कि the accountability वाला जो मेरे post-it notes हैं, right? I feel like they come in handy. You aren't really supposed to look at them every day in that sense, but वो आपको एक subconscious reminder होता रहता है. I feel like that is where it becomes handy. So, for example, if you've written a goal, let's say, right? Let's say you've written a goal of doing 10 to 20 push-ups to start, starting small. So I feel like I made a goal that I need to make sure I stretch every morning and I do some sort of physical training. Very like almost minimal training, right? So like I was like, let's go out for a run. So I've been pretty much going out for a run every alternative day and stretching every morning. I think it is because I wrote it down. Writing it down helps you like solidify it. And the reason why मैंने ये like बाल काटे थे, I was like, it's taking too much of my time. So it was just like not a stylistic choice, but I was like, I wake up in the morning and it's like हर जगह, right? and I'm like, I'm spending way too much time on my hair. Then I did the math. And I was like, okay, if I spend a very conservative time of 3 minutes a day on my hair, that's 24 hours per year. And I was like, fuck that shit.
देखो लोग होते हैं जब ताजे ताजे मोटिवेट होते हैं ना तो लोग अली चमी वाली जो अभी
हाँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Yeah,
क्या
this
हरकतें
is
कर रहे हैं
me.
ना
This
वो
is
के
me. I
yeah
agree.
and
I'm
this
like
is the
up
biggest
there.
problem with
I'm up there, and
this is
then
the biggest problem with people who rely on motivation to do shit. Okay, the problem is they get spikes. So right now Ali thinks that he should shave his head because it saves him 24 hours a day, when in fact what he should be focusing on are more important things that take away a lot more time. Like for example, Ali does things that he procrastinates with in a day. He does shit, whether it's watching a stupid YouTube video, and if you want to count all the ad times amongst all the shitty YouTube videos he watches, he wastes more than a day a year, at
for
least
sure,
a week a
for
year.
sure.
So rather than focusing on these bigger things, right,
Bro,
he
I've
tends to
gotten,
focus on what's easy, so that it
bro,
makes
I
him
do.
feel like it's working. And
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. So,
sure, that'll help with the ball spinning. But what has to keep the ball spinning is still doing shit.
yeah, I agree with that. So, but okay, yeah, you're talking about distractions and like from a very technical standpoint of view. मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ कि in terms of what has helped me. जो तुम मोटिवेशन की बात कर रहे हो ना, I agree with that. You do not want to rely on motivation. Discipline is everything. That's established. वो like अपनी लाइफ चेंज करने के लिए the best thing you can do is develop good habits. That's a given thing. But I've realized कि मेरी जो fault है
Yeah.
effectively is that I put on these really high goals, सही है, and I try and hit for them, and 9 out of 10 times I don't reach them, right? और अब आहिस्ता आहिस्ता I realized कि uh, I knew this, but I think it just takes time to settle in क्योंकि मैं impatient इंसान हूँ. So rather than doing like
Ali, you
my
need to
run every day,
repeat
I
everything
was
you
like,
just said because other than doing, nothing has been like that.
oh okay. I feel like elimination का concept के बारे में लोग बात नहीं करते हैं. So right now we are in a time where we have more time to ourselves because a lot of people are locked down में हैं, they are not going out as much, right? So मैंने क्या किया अभी last month I decided to deactivate नहीं, like log off Instagram. अब तो मैंने अपना अकाउंट भी deactivate कर दिया था. Last week ही किया मैंने, I think.
He does this
But
every 6 months. Every 5 6 months, he
like
does
I,
it. His friends do it. All of these people do it. They say, "Oh my god, I'm gonna focus on other shit other than Instagram."
but it does
They're
help.
like, "Oh
Okay,
my god."
listen to
Okay,
listen to
okay, go
listen.
for it.
Listen, I really mean it. देखो, stepping, there are two things that are happening over here. So मैंने Facebook deactivate किया. I was like, okay, Twitter, I'm not gonna use it as much because I was using way too much Twitter all of a sudden, for the past week at least. To keep track of all of that is happening in the world, the riots, the protests, all of those things, right? लेकिन elimination जब आप कर देते हैं ना इन चीज़ों को, and then you create this resistance. So for example, I'll give you a fridge वाला example. अगर तुम्हारे फ्रिज के अंदर तुमने कोई स्वीट चीज़ें हटा दी हैं, then once you reach for the fridge, right, you'll be like, oh wait, your donuts aren't there. So for example, you reach for your phone and Instagram की app isn't that there. So it creates a वो आपका जो पैटर्न होता है, it breaks you out of it. तो elimination का ये फायदा होता है. तो it's not like कि मैं detox कर रहा हूँ या फिर I'm doing that, but it's like once in a while you need to do it. It's not about self-help. It's not about reaching goals. मैं उस perspective से कर रहा हूँ because I need stepping away from ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आपको 100% आपकी लाइफ में वैल्यू नहीं लाती हैं, which is like Instagram, right? So it's like,
They
okay,
don't bring value.
I think they do if you follow the right people. If you,
Okay, Ali and my Instagram account is very different. Ali has 5, but like we'll only talk about any one of them. Anyway,
हाँ,
follows like several hundred motivational people.
Me?
And then he follow, yeah, like
I
you
don't.
follow, it's not several hundred, but you follow many of them.
I
Between your
follow. I have a
stoicism websites,
now. It's
yeah,
crazy.
yeah, that. So he's got a lot of people he follows for inspiration, motivation to stay dedicated, whatever. It's become a part of his
Just to
habit to
keep
stay.
track of what's happening
Yes.
as well, in my field or like other.
Yeah. No, I'm not talking about artists. I'm not talking about creators. I'm just talking about people like who just motivate shit, like stoicism on the Instagram page and like
Mhm.
seeds of consciousness, shit like that. And then you compare that to me. I follow my friends, like, a very few amount of them, or like I would say too many at this point. It's become too many people shit in my Instagram feed now. But and other than that, I follow I think three motivational people. One of them is David Goggins. It will always be David Goggins. If I
Oh
remove him,
yes.
I'm giving up. Because the thing is, I have been meaning to remove him from my Instagram, but every time you go on his profile and you go to remove it, you just ask yourself, am I removing it because I just don't want to do anything and I don't want to work, or am I removing it because
Because
it's the
yeah,
right thing to remove?
I
And
just
and, and
really
I can
like
never remove it. Yeah. And I don't know who the other two are. One of them is Seeds of Consciousness, and I don't know the
poopy
third
pants.
one, but hmm?
You poopy pants. वो बोलते
Yeah,
हैं
I
ना,
don't even follow meme pages. I follow 420. Everybody should follow 420, but I don't follow Nugget. I don't follow all of these fucking common
I don't.
ones.
I do
I
not.
don't get it. Okay, so this
Meme
is the problem. Okay, so
meme pages,
I'm
zero
going to
meme pages.
I'm going to alienate more people than I could alienate by being like telling you anything in this world. I don't like the meme culture, and I think it's because people just use it to waste time, and not like in a motivational like do things time way. Because some people create memes, right?
हाँ.
But even the people who create memes, right? Like if you're not doing something with the thing you're creating that is like benefiting you, then you are just literally a meme creator
Right, okay.
without any rep as a meme creator. You're not
Okay.
even like making money making.
So
And
for
it's like, and my problem isn't that. My problem isn't that. The creative side aside, that's not my problem. I am a consumer of memes, right? When I read a meme, it gives me a second of like laughter, I suppose, or maybe a second of like joy. I wouldn't call it that much. But it's like so lame. You just take it, and then you read another one, and then you read another one, and then you're like an hour and a half into fucking memes, and you're just like, what have I done? What is this guilt that you want to have? Like, this is like preparing yourself to eat all of the donuts in your fridge because you keep a 12 pack every time you come home. Like, no, don't do it. I don't follow meme pages. I don't follow anybody. I don't need to follow anybody. I have no business following.
yeah, okay. I like the meme culture. So yeah, I enjoy the meme culture. So yeah, you know, meme review, PewDiePie, all of that shit. Shees and I are pretty much embedded in it. Shees and I and Kamran, you know it. हम
I
चारों में.
can't do this anime shit. I can't even watch YouTube like for YouTube creators. I only watch it for music now and like food.
That's fine. That's fine. I think it's everybody has like their own way of consumption. Lekin, I don't understand. I feel like it's not even memes, but I feel like a lot of people who follow meme accounts, like जब मैं किसी और की न्यूज फीड देखता हूँ, राइट, न्यूज फीड नहीं, लाइक फीड, आपकी इंस्टाग्राम फीड जो होती है, इट्स लाइक यू कैन सी द टाइप ऑफ पर्सन दे आर सिंपली बाय स्क्रॉलिंग 10 पोस्ट्स डाउन, राइट? तो मेरे में नहीं आएगा, मेरे के अंदर यू वॉन्ट गेट एनी memes at all. मुझे लोग भेजते हैं memes. I might find memes in the explore page, right? I'll send them, but I will never follow meme pages because my function for my public Instagram account, because I have multiple Instagram accounts, is to be.
Ali, nobody cares. At this
नहीं,
point, nobody cares. I know.
नहीं,
I'll tell you why nobody cares because the thought has passed. It's like
नहीं,
in my mind right now, there's spaces for how long a conversation should go. I don't know how they're there, but they're there. And
okay,
this one's exceeded that so
okay,
much.
so
Okay.
I feel like again जो elimination की बात हम कर रहे थे ना, to come back to that
Oh
point,
shit.
right? I'm tying it in
Backtrack.
with the
What a
elimination,
great tie-in, I must say.
right?
Fantastic, bro. What a segue.
It's like you eliminate things not because they're hurting you, but to make space or to curate for better things to happen,
Yeah. I understand.
right?
Yesterday, yeah, bolo.
So like जब मैं बोलता हूँ कि मैं deactivate करूँ, it's not कि detox हो जाए, क्योंकि इनका mental health पर आपका effect पड़ता है. We know it now. कि
Yes,
you,
100%.
like for example, I was consuming Twitter के ऊपर सारा वक्त, like I don't use Twitter that often, लेकिन
The thing
past.
is, I don't think it's a problem with the app. I think it's a problem with your ability to log off the app.
हाँ, but
I think you
these apps
spend
are
too
okay.
much time on this shit, bro.
But these apps are designed to keep you hooked as well.
Bro, that's like saying, bro, I do drugs because drugs are designed to be addictive. Just don't do the drugs, bro. What do
देखो
you mean?
देखो
Ali,
okay.
ये गलत तुमने बात की.
मैं नेटवर्क इफेक्ट्स की बात करूंगा, but you continue with what you were saying.
What do you mean? Yeah, about the neural pathway thing. Yeah, okay. So yesterday I was sitting with a friend and he said something so stupid, so pointless about his life. Like he was just something about like that he did his laundry at 3:30 and not at 3 or some shit like that. And I was like, the space, actively the space in my brain that formed, it took away from the other space in my brain to listen to what you just said and told me. And that was the most waste of my neural pathways I can imagine. Like, bro, talk about not bringing anything like positive. It doesn't bring anything. Like, bro, what did you just tell me that shit for? Like, yeah, I suppose it's only helping right now because I know he's going to watch this, so he's going to know that I'm attacking him. So it's like beneficial in that way, but other than that, it was so stupid. Like, just don't tell me stupid things.
Yeah.
It's like I feel this way when Ali talks a lot. He tells me such stupid shit that I don't need to waste my mind on.
Okay, that's
But
just
he
a
does it.
personality trait that
He does it.
I'm a naturally I gather information a lot. That's just
Yeah, okay. Ali just wants to flex his intellect.
nahi,
Be
that's
ready.
not.
Be
It's
ready.
not. It's a personality thing. It's a personality thing.
Oh,
I
yeah,
know
because
it
he knows
now.
everything about personality traits.
Like, I
Intellect.
study.
Bro. He
Forget
studies personality, intellect. Khatam.
हाँ, bro.
Seedha
There are
khatam.
like I'm not gonna get into it because I don't want
He
to.
doesn't want to get into the I's and the E's.
And the ENFPs and the INFJs,
Yeah. I was
right?
gonna not let you get into it.
I do
Ali
not.
just flexing his intellect. He's like, bro,
नहीं,
मेरे को
I'm
नहीं पता
not
है.
aware यार.
Yeah, चलो.
मतलब एक इंसान कॉन्वर्सेशन कर ले आराम से, तो मतलब मैं भी बोलता हूँ अभी तुम डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ डबल इफेक्ट क्या बोलेगा होगा अपना इंटेलेक्ट
ये इंटेलेक्ट है
फ्लेक्स कर रहे हो
क्योंकि
अब
having information provides you the ability to build on it
है तो
and gain intellect.
यार. ओके,
Intellect. Khatam.
आई
Ali,
इवन
you just shave your head, think you're being productive, and talk on this podcast, bro. Go ahead.
नहीं, बट कमिंग बैक टू गॉगिन्स एंड ये जो तुम स्पेस वाली बात कर रहे हो, लाइक क्रिएटिंग स्पेस वाली बात इन योर ब्रेन, आई फील लाइक कि देखो एक देयर इज अ पार्ट ऑफ मी दैट वांट्स एवरीथिंग टू बी वैल्यूएबल, राइट? कुछ मैं निकाल रहा हूँ उसमें से, आई एम एक्सट्रैक्टिंग समथिंग आउट ऑफ इट, राइट? डज इट, आई एम नॉट, व्हेन आई से वैल्यूएबल इट्स नॉट मनी, सही है, इट्स नॉट दैट. लेकिन जो तुम जो चीज बोल रहे हो कि नथिंगनेस वाली वैल्यू है, इट्स लाइक
Bro,
it's
there's
so
certain things that are so stupid that why did you tell? It's like, no, but
it's so pointless.
it's like,
It's even pointless to call it pointless.
yeah, but like, think about it this way. It's like somebody just sitting with you at a beach and then being like, bro, I think I saw a wave. They're like, nah, bro. Like, what are you? Either you're like stupid, like just insanely stupid, and you just saw your first ever wave. Or like, nahi yaar, there's waves on, and in the event that it's a wavy beach, like, I mean, yeah, I don't want to get logically into it, but yeah, you know what I mean. But yeah, there's certain things that are just stupid. I don't need to know.
Stupid wali or self-evident wali cheez hai, but I feel like at the same time,
I feel like I'm being rude to people who like want to like explain when they do something that in their opinion is cool. So I'm not like a bad person, but it's like, just don't tell me.
but I think at the same time you need a space for these things as well.
Yeah, of course, bro. You should be able to tell people that, oh my God, I saw a chipkali yesterday. Oh shit! तुमने chipkali देखी? Like, what did you gain? Nothing. It's chipkali dead? No, it's alive. You threw it out. But it's not about what you gain. It's a funny story. It keeps life good. Because life is still something you have to live.
Yeah,
Full split, eternal shift, khatam, intellect.
The mundaneness has a beauty of its own, na. You can't avoid it.
भाई ने मंडेन बोला, मतलब उसने एवरेज नहीं बोला, उसने सिंपल नहीं बोला, उसने मंडेन बोला. Intellect.
It's very specific, काफी specific.
Yeah.
It explains exactly, I think, what you're talking about.
Yeah, I think it does too, intellect. Chalo, continue with your mundane.
नहीं, but coming back to Goggins, I feel like one of the better things, I feel like the accountability mirror thing didn't work that well for me, but what did work for me is I think it's in later on के chapters में आता है when he's finally done with the SEAL training and goes he starts running basically regularly, like early the first ultra marathon right?
Oof.
Or and then he talks about the cookie jar thing, right? Do you
Yeah,
remember?
I get that. Yeah, I
So
get the cookie jar.
I think the cookie jar method is really useful.
You should explain to them what the cookie jar method is. Also,
हाँ,
while retaining that you should buy the book, okay, don't use this podcast as like a way of not getting the book because I'm dumb to shit and Ali is
हाँ.
not the
This
smartest.
podcast will
Okay,
not
because if I'm dumb, Ali is like gone. So
नहीं
just read your
it
own
doesn't
book. Read the book yourself.
अबे तो explain the cookie jar thing. I'm getting to it. You're
Yeah,
like
yeah, you get to it. Get into it, but like I'm just telling them to read the book.
but yeah, the book is worth it 100%. Uh, the cookie jar method is basically like you take inventory of everything that you've overcome in the past or like achieved, but not in the sense of tooting your own horn या फिर celebrating it, but you only go to it as a place of as reminders basically. Okay, you've been through difficult things and you've managed to achieve things that maybe you thought weren't possible for you. So yeah, and they can be really small things as well, right? They can be like that day I was really low and I still managed to get through that day, right? That day I was angry at my friend, but I still managed to keep my calm, stuff like that. But it can be also be stuff like, that exam was pretty tough. I pulled an all-nighter. I shouldn't have, but I still did the work and I got that grade. So
yeah, like I just got a 33.5 in my out of 35 in my final exam for a foreign language that I don't speak at all. And you want to know something? You want to know something? I want to just say something to everybody. Some people believe and other people achieve. All right,
man,
remember that. Remember
Man,
that.
I don't want to get into this right now because I feel like it will take away from what we are talking about.
No, but it does. It does. It
Accountability.
shows you something very important. Listen, if you don't have the ability or the skill set, or just and if you're just falling short of the ability to do something or learn something or figure out how to do it, and you choose to use your other strengths to figure it out, then you are a genius. That is all I would
Bro,
like to say.
bro,
Now is now
Goggins has a very
hmm,
different approach to it.
Bro,
Goggins says,
Goggins just says if there's a brick wall and you're hammering at it and it doesn't break, keep hammering at it until it breaks. Versus some people who understand that yes, Goggins is right. You should keep trying, but not with a hammer. You go back, you get the wrecking ball, you destroy the wrecking ball. Boom. Some people
yeah, but
believe, other people
यार देखो,
achieve. I am being very
यो
toxic, but
यार
it's
तुम
great.
गॉगन्स का नाम खराब कर रहे हो.
मैंने Goggins
Goggins,
का नहीं दिमाग खराब किया मैं बस कह रहा हूँ कि Goggins has a great approach when it comes to self development, but when you have to get something done, it's about getting it done. It's not about how you get it done,
नहीं, but
as
he
long as you don't hurt
also,
anybody else.
bro, he emphasizes on
On honesty and moral correctness, yep.
honesty and on the whole concept of
Holding
like
yourself accountable.
he was like I was overweight, so I called myself fat.
Yeah, and
I was
and I would like
I cheated in
everybody to
test,
understand
like, I cheated
that
in test, but then I worked really hard on the ASVAB test, for
yeah,
the CEL thing.
sometimes you have to cheat a little bit so that in tests, okay, like not in life, okay, nowhere else, because school is not the most complicated and relevant system. Those are
Huh.
certain things that you are doing that you don't give a shit about, and this could be for most people who are taking like a tutorial on woodworking or doing some stupid shit. Not saying woodworking is stupid. I would love to be a carpenter. I hate the fact that it's necessary to go to university. I'd like to go to craft school. But with that said, no, that's different. That's like fine arts. That's not crafts, bro.
I have
Please,
I
you
have
guys will make a complicated fucking tree house. Shut up. Okay, you people just pay an obscene amount of money to learn something you could learn already. But the point of it is, what I was saying was, you know, school isn't like always the most mentally captivating thing. So, for example, if Ali had a forcible course on the theory of mathematics, right? And Ali is a fine art student. Ali hates math almost as much as I do. right?
No, not
Okay,
not
I
that.
hate maths. Okay, I hate maths. So if I have a math, so I do have
Also,
calculus
art
too. I have to
students
give,
को basic sense
but
of math अच्छी आनी चाहिए because you end up
this
using it
is
for a lot of
complete bullshit. Most art people run away from art, and the end that everybody, sorry, math, and math is important to everybody. Everybody should know the
yeah.
fundamentals of mathematics, the
But you're talking
fundamentals of.
about
I am talking about calculus. You
calculus.
don't need to know calculus, right? And say I have a calculus exam, and I am someone who will never use calculus in my life. Do I want to become a logician? No. Do I need any mathematic knowledge? No, I mean, I don't want to go into that field. Should I learn some because it might help me later on? Yes, but like calculus isn't helping anybody other than those that do calculus. Okay, and if I decide to have a friend give the exams for me, obviously all of this is hypothetical because I didn't take calculus this semester because I'm a genius. Should have taken it online. इतना easy होता, ये तो guaranteed होता. मगर चलो, someone does calculus for me. Now, do I feel bad about the fact that I got the C or the A? I just got the pass, or do I feel like good about the fact that I managed to navigate a pass on a course that I don't need or do I'll never use? That is just a waste of my time. That would have kept me in this university longer than I even want to be. No, I feel very good about the fact that I am getting through these shitty fucking prerequisites because I hate them. I don't understand them. I want to learn philosophy, and I'm doing a minor in psychology now. I update Ali, but that's about it.
What the fuck? When did
Yeah,
that?
don't.
What the?
Okay, so it starts from next semester, but recently I took a psychology 100 course and I loved it. I loved every bit of it. I love psychology. It fascinates me so much. The hallucinations aspect, I have so many. The drug usage, it's like, it's so cool. The dream state, oh, it's like, oh man, it's like insane stuff. So I really got interested in it. So I decided I'm going to do a minor in it. So I'm going to do a minor in it from next semester, or probably this summer semester. I might take 2 courses, but none of this matters. Yeah. So success, some people believe, other people achieve. Remember that. As long
Man,
as you
but
are
again,
achieving and you are not hurting anybody else. Now listen to this. You are not hurting
you can
anybody
end
else,
up
not while
hurting
you achieve
yourself
it.
as well.
Nah, with fucking calculus? Ain't no way. Ain't
can
no
we get
way.
to the story now? We can't get to the
Yeah,
story
yeah.
now.
No, we can't. Not right now.
We can't.
We can't. I did it recently, so we can't do it.
Um,
We'll
anyways,
do
bro,
it in
हम
a couple
इतना
of weeks.
we digress. Couple of weeks नहीं, let's say after graduation, to be on the safe side.
Nah, I won't give them the way I did it or anything. I'll just tell you like how I might have done it. Easier, bro. Easier. It's like the old. It's like, when you say I might have done this, and it's like, oh, yeah, did you do it? Did you not do it? Are you hypothetically doing it? It's insane, bro. These loopholes are good in life.
But Goggins की the thing that really stood out for me, जो मैंने expect नहीं की थी by listening to the book. Also just listen to the book, man, because it's not just the audiobook. उसके अंदर they talk over it, so it's like a audiobook slash podcast, and it's like brilliant. क्योंकि उसके अंदर he talks about, he's analyzing some of the things with the reader, जिसका मुझे नाम अब याद नहीं आ रहा. But one of the best things
Always the problem. Yeah.
जो उसके अंदर थी in the cookie jar वाली thing was कि you don't use it all the time, you know, you use it when you're like in the middle of another difficult task, or in the middle of something that you have no motivation to continue. So like you dig deep down, or you dig deep down का point होता है, it's like you tell yourself the story where you did win, you know. So it's like it creates this positive feedback loop where rather than trying to find inspiration from someone else, you know, even from somebody like Goggins, or even like somebody like वो जो book में बोलता है, वो book में बोलता है कि don't try to do what I'm doing. It's not supposed to be that way. If you're trying to run, get your body in shape, right? Don't do what I'm doing. Look at yourself and see कि वो जो मैंने last week किया है, last day किया, उसका 10% more मैं कैसे कर सकता हूँ. So it's like that. But anyways,
It's good. I know a lot of people when they started running like me, they just went for it because they had to go ham on it, and it was not good. I told things
it's
that I
not
shouldn't have
good
told.
because you're setting yourself up for failure.
It's not even the legs.
Well,
Oof, they die,
I
bro.
don't
When the legs go, life goes. like it's one thing when you do the Goggins thing, right? You run until you can't run no longer. It's like fucking Forrest Gump in this bitch. But
Um,
then you wake up the next day, and then you're like,
and he hurt himself really
I
badly.
have, I have killed it. I have told it this is purple. It shouldn't be purple, man. It shouldn't be purple. But it was, and that's why
But
you have to go safely.
but
Progression.
basically, it's in the book that he mentions. Yeah, maybe I heard this somewhere else. But if you're like trying to start a habit, uh, uh, like start getting yourself to perform to your potential when you know your potential is
Yeah.
up there and you're like down below. Like जो मुझे चीज हेल्प करती आ रही है that I go back and again I have to remind myself of this. ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm perfect. I fucking fail at doing this. I terribly fail at doing this. Is के you start with something so easy within that thing that it is embarrassing to say ke you even didn't do that, right? So for example, अगर आपको fit होना है, so you need to develop the habit. I think this is the best example. Like fitness is the best example because it's like it sort of you can compare it to anything. It's input, process, output, but input, process, output plus consistency is what gets you results, right? Can you hear me?
You waiting for me to reply to this?
No. I'm not waiting.
Okay, then
But
continue.
basically, if you want to do if you want to get like a good upper chest, get some pecs, and you're like मैं gym जाऊंगा, मैं bench presses करूंगा. It's like you want to slowly increase the load of doing that. So rather than going to the gym, getting new clothes, just be like कि मैं एक week के अंदर एक push up करूंगा, right? So it's like it's
Nah,
so
that's stupid, bro. Like one
listen.
one push up. Yeah, I get the intention, but like don't do
Listen,
that.
listen. I really mean this. I mean this
Mm.
from the bottom of my heart. I'll tell you
Okay,
why.
okay.
Bro, I'll tell
You
you
can
why.
start with more. Yeah.
I'll tell you why. And I say this based on personal experience, right? I really mean this on personal experience, and that is कि कभी कभार ना our own brain is so habitual कि once we start again ये हम चीज avoid नहीं कर सकते कि our brain is designed to lean towards comfort, right? वो survival tactic है. So your brain will run away from doing workouts. Your brain will run away from discomfort. So you have to trick your brain into doing something. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to trick your brain into doing something that your brain does not even see as discomfort. So once that 1 week becomes a habit, you are like, okay, now I'll do it. I'll do one push-up every single day, right? So in the first year, it's starting with something so small. Okay, once that becomes habit, right? Your brain is automatically doing it. And I mean this because art can there. I feel like the reason why I've gotten good at art, the one thing I can stand behind, I can be like, isme I have some credibility, knowing how to draw well, knowing how to paint well. I'm not saying I'm a master, but I know I'm above average. ये मैं बोल सकता हूँ, above average, the average human being, right? अबे top 10 आर्ट यूनी मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ यार, किसी तरीके से पहुंचा हूँ ना. मैं like अपने आप को दिलासा दे रहा हूँ अभी. It's not flexing, right? But I think the reason why I got there was because I was always drawing like every single day, you know. Even right now मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा था, I was like, yeah, shit, why am I drawing right now in my notebook? So I feel like that's the best way to drastically change your life. It like compounds over time now. By the way, there's a book. It's called The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. I haven't read it, but I've heard a lot about it. Maybe you should read it. I'm gonna read it. Let's say, okay, I'm gonna read it next week, next episode, and then I'm gonna sort of do a summary of it, just the same way Goggins की है मैंने.
Okay.
Bro, yaar, bring up the energy, man. I have good energy today.
What do you
I
want
feel
me
like
to say?
I have good energy. No hair, you know. No hair, don't care. वो बोलते ना long hair, don't care. क्या bad hair क्या होता है? What
I don't know. मुझे
What
नहीं
is
पता.
it? Long hair don't care?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Yeah, bad
Could
hair
be
don't.
short hair, bad hair, good hair, great
हाँ,
hair. I
I
don't
mean,
know.
short hair don't care. I'm like, no hair don't care. Bro, Hamza क्या
What
हो?
is short?
Hamza is sad and he's bored out of his mind because he has to be in Turkey in his dorm for a month without having any uni work to do.
Now I'll take a summer semester. I'll do psychology in it. Why not? If they offer it, I'll take it.
या फिर तुम वेबसाइट बना दो हमारी चाय की भाई I'm halfway
Fuck
through it.
that.
I'm
Enjoy
halfway
it.
through it.
Enjoy it. Web development, enjoy it, bro. It's a great skill to have.
Yeah,
You
by the
should
way,
do it.
maybe not this right now, but if you're listening or watching this on YouTube, tell us if you would want like a newsletter, like a yearly newsletter.
A yearly news, Ali, what the fuck would people gain from a yearly newspaper?
Bro, yearly.
It's like, bro, a yearly? Bro, who's going to remember to write it every year? At December 29th, you're going to be like, Hamza, yaar, likh do yaar, 31st ko due hai. I'm going to be like, what do you mean,
So
bro? I
okay,
can't.
what would okay? Would you want to
If
write a
anything, it should be, a monthly.
monthly?
Yeah. Like a National Geographic.
Like
Only
a
it will be
monthly one
called.
that we sort of break down our best parts of the podcast or like things that we are referring to. Like if we did have a newsletter, let's say.
I would want there to be a nice op-ed in it, right? So that people get some insight to also how people think if you're reading it. I would like there to be a nice fiction piece in it. It's nice. You read it, you enjoy it. Maybe something with some satire, some comedy. Then I would like to have it. I suppose this is what Ali wants to hear, but like a blog analysis, whatever. A podcast analysis.
Nahin, it's
Like
like
you
I feel like
can
it can be
tidbits of whatever you like doing or
you can
whatever
switch.
sucked the most. A guest we would never want to have again.
By the way, are you
I have one.
subscribed to any newsletters?
Too many newsletters. Yeah, The Economist. Does that count as a newsletter?
हाँ
It's a
हाँ
magazine.
नहीं I'm talking about digital like email newsletters.
I follow a few blogs. Do those count as newsletters? No, I don't think so.
नहीं
It's a very newsletterish blog. It has different sections and everything.
हाँ
It's like an entire magazine. It's a pretty
because
long one.
because newsletters can be like it really depends on who's sending it to you really. The last
If you want to
newsletter
see that, let us know. अगर आपको न्यूज लेटर चाहिए मगर मैं खुदा पाकी कसम अभी कमिट नहीं करने वाला हूँ 6 महीने के लिए तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला वो तो भूल जाओ but you can discard that from your mind so that you don't even need to make space later. It's gone. Just delete it. It's gone. किसकी बात हो रही है कुछ चीज की नहीं. But other than that, after that, yeah, maybe. I don't know.
because obviously
I don't think so much in the future anymore. I'll tell you what, Corona has given me uncertainty beyond anything in this life. I've been through uncertain times in my life, but this uncertainty is new. It's like I was supposed to go home tomorrow or day after. I don't know. Now I can't get a flight till the 30th of June, which will go to the 30th of July, which will then extend a little bit in August. And then I have a new semester in September, so I just probably won't leave. I have to come to the reality of the fact that I might not go home for at least another entire year. And let me tell you something. I didn't go home in the past year, which is fine. It doesn't bother me. I'm not homesick or anything. I am food sick. I would like some fucking food. But yeah, but besides that, I don't miss anything or anybody. I miss my car, but I don't have that anymore. This car just got so sad. You know what I'm saying? But chalo, no. So I'm not homesick. I want to go home so I can eat food without having to cook it. And yeah, privilege, yes. Okay, thank you. But I'm tired of cooking food. I'm tired of waking up in the morning and being like, what am I going to do today? There's nothing. What you want me to fill it with productivity? There's a point. Okay, there comes a point at which you do those things, but you're still bored as shit in between. And it's like, that's what I'm doing right now. How bored am I? As bored as humanly possible. Am I doing something with interest? Yes, but I'm still bored. I don't know how to explain it. It's like looming boredom.
With interest, what are you talking about?
I'm talking about this podcast as I waste my time shooting this.
Yeah,
I spend my time. I spend my time. I said it was bringing me. I said I did it with interest, but I'm just bored as shit. दिल में आली का तो हर चीज दर्द होता है. That's
this
the problem.
is one thing. This is okay. On a very genuine, authentic note, I feel like we can wrap it up over here as well.
Great.
right? On a very genuine, authentic note, we started this not knowing okay, how we will do it. The first 10 episodes, we sort of like churned
Blaze
them
through
out,
'em.
right?
Yeah.
But the
Lit it, did it.
I feel like genuinely there is some positive thing that I look to at the end of the week, you know,
Yeah,
um,
yeah, it's nice. It's funny. I shoot
because
it. I'm like, oh my god, now people are going to judge me on the internet. It's going to be great. And then I just close it.
huh, that is one sort of fear, but to quote the Michael Jordan thing to end this up, to really wrap it up, is like, why should I fear about not making the shot before I've made the shot?
Okay, great. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know what?
Subscribe.
Pranchum, take a shot and then take a shot at subscribing. Live your
Kobe,
life. Take whatever kind of shot you want. Bro, don't say that, bro. He passed away, bro.
man,
Don't.
but
Rest in peace, bro. But anyway, I don't want to get into that. Peace out. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Read whatever
the
books I
Hafiz
told you to
boy.
read. And okay, bas Allah Hafiz. That's enough, bro.